Welcome to the Lindsey Holder channel. In this video, we are going to go on the set of the Vampire Diaries. Now, this video was filmed in 2012 when the series was still available and being filmed. You can now watch it on Netflix. And we are going to talk to the head makeup artist who created all of Elena's gorgeous looks, Essie Cha. So thank you, Essie, for being part of this video. All of the makeup information and product descriptions are listed in the details of this video. If you are also interested in the hairstyle looks for Elena on the Vampire Diaries, then watch the next video where I also talk to Danielle Corrette, well, not just her, but the entire set's hairstylist, lead hairstylist for the show. And those products are also listed there. So head to the comments for the descriptions of the products. You can also head to my blog at lindseyholder.com or connect with me on Instagram at lindsey_holder. Enjoy the show. And just a little tidbit, I do interrupt Essie quite a bit, but I was a new interviewer, so I do apologize. But we got all those fun looks while we did the video. So enjoy, and I would love to have your comments below. Thanks. Hey guys, it's Lindsey, your National Remington Style Ambassador. I'm on the set of the Vampire Diaries, so very excited about that. With the makeup to the stars here at Essie Cha. So you get Katherine and Elena and all the vampires ready every week. They look so great. They look hot, okay? So I'm gonna look that way too. Aww. So I want all the tips, all the skinny, whatever you use. I'm your model, just go for it. So brighten me up. So Essie's gonna show us her tips so you ladies can use these styles and get ready in your own home, and we can look like hot vampires too. So
well, most important thing is the skincare. I start with the perfect skin, which I use. This is my favorite.
Oh, let me see.
Napoleon
Perdis. Okay.
Yes, it's a primer.
A primer. Okay.
I use this on everybody.
Okay.
All the guys,
I'm gonna
all
use
the
it now
girls.
too.
It's really the best. I mean, spreads very nicely, and you could layer them, and it doesn't get all like
right.
Okay. So this is very important. Okay. And then the rest are all foundations, but Napoleon, again, I love their foundations. It's beautiful. And for guys, my favorite, believe it or not, it's a product called Gerda Spillman.
Oh, and it's in the drawer. You got it out of the drawer. This
exactly.
is the secret
it's
stuff.
Like a secret,
I was
yes.
like, where'd she get it?
It's a new color called cacao, and I use this on Paul Wesley. This is his favorite foundation. Okay. So I have to keep it in the drawer. And this, you can see, I label.
Right. Oh, Nina, Paul, Ian. Oh,
yes.
I'm looking at that after this.
Yeah, these are all their
Oh,
drawers.
nice. Okay. Ooh,
Drawers.
secret drawers. Okay.
So skincare is very important.
All right. Okay.
And the foundation, the base. But again, I love that product, Napoleon Perdis and the Gerda Spillman.
Yes.
And lastly, I have a company that I use. It's very hard to get. You have to get through their online, or you have to go through professional makeup store. It's called Koh Gen Do. It's from Japan. It's phenomenal. Okay. Phenomenal. But if you really want to know the difference between Elena and Katherine, is this crease brush. What I do is I use almost same color.
Wow.
But I use it in a different motion. Elena goes up. Goes down. Katherine goes up. That's it. And then little darker shades. But other than that, it's almost same. And again, Elena's...
They have a very natural look.
They do.
Really fresh.
Funny thing is that for Elena, again, I
see a lot of MAC and Chanel.
Yeah, but then Napoleon Perdis, this color, it's called Egypt.
And that's
copper for Elena.
For eyes?
Elena. Okay. Yeah. But for Katherine, only thing that I change is it's Bobbi Brown's champagne. That's what I use on the crease.
On the eyes. On the eye, right?
Yeah. But again, it's always the
strokes.
Yeah,
the tool.
exactly. You
so
have to have a great brush.
Foundation, and then the tools.
Yes, tools.
Okay.
The brushes are so important.
Yes, they are.
They are. Elena, I will be doing this. And for Katherine, I'll be doing this.
And that creates, what does that create? More soft versus dramatic? Dramatic? Yes. Okay.
And blush, I go up from here and up. If you go a little lower, you know, a lot of older days, like back in the days, people used to do here. Well, now we do it here, so it gives the natural look.
I thought I was supposed to smile.
Yeah, exactly. But you don't swirl, and you just kind of go like this.
Okay, perfect.
Everything
I'm doing
lifts.
it all wrong. Okay.
Everything lifts.
Okay.
So that's really basically it for
oh, I do have a question. Her
yes.
eyes look amazing. Her eyeliner is like perfect on the top with lashes probably.
Well, she's got gorgeous lashes.
Those are her lashes? Oh,
Beautiful
wow.
lashes.
Oh, okay, I'm officially done.
She is naturally beautiful girl.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
I mean, she walks in, no makeup in the morning.
She's ready.
Gorgeous.
Well, I need a little help, so I'm glad to know about these products. And thank you so much for sharing.
You're welcome.
I'll have these tips on the site. And so I'm definitely going to check out Napoleon.
Yeah,
so
it's really my favorite.
Okay,
I use
wonderful.
this on everybody, as you see. It's
yes, it is.
And Ian Somerhalder,
yes.
he's into everything organic. So
I am too. Yeah.
Well, this is probably the most organic products you could get. It's called Lubala. You could buy it in Whole Foods or online. It's the best thing. Ian is all natural, all organic.
Okay, perfect. Yes, I am too. So I'm a big advocate on that.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you for letting all the characters look so amazing each week, and
Well,
I'm
thank
excited
you.
to tune in tonight and see how they look tonight.
Thursday night.
Thursday night tonight. All right.
you.
Thanks, guys.